So I have my PlayStation Portal. I'm turning it on. Yes, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. And also my PS5 is connected to the Wi-Fi at the hotel. It gives me great Wi-Fi signal. So let's see what happens, y'all. So this is what happens when it comes on. It turns on, like, okay, we waking it up, but it doesn't get past this part right here. It doesn't get past that part. So it wakes it up, but it doesn't get past this part. So I don't know. If y'all know what's going on or how to get past this part, let me know. I'm trying to enjoy this device, but I can't even enjoy it because it's not connected. It presents itself with try again or disconnect. But I'm stuck right here. So let me show y'all what I did. So I get my controller because it says, you know, you need a controller. Click it. I do have multiple accounts on here, but I do got it where the last one logged in is me. You know what I'm saying? So I go to settings. I'm in settings. I go to users. I go down to login settings. I make sure this is connected. Boom. So that way I'm the last person. Or should I turn this off? Let's turn this off and see what happens. Also, I'm in system settings. I go down to remote play. I got it enabled. You see that? It's enabled. It's ready to go. Then I go to power settings. Boom. Remote play. I got them on. Bing, bing. I got them on, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on. Okay, so let's try this one more time without the automatic login and see if that works. Because I thought it would need the automatic login. All right, I'm putting it in rest mode right now. As you can see, it's going in rest mode. Now let's see what happens. All right, so when it locked in, here we go. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now, y'all. So you slide in. I think you slide that way. It does say if I want to disconnect it. I don't want to disconnect it. As you can see, it just turned on, but I'm still stuck right here. It don't get past this part. Let me know if y'all can help me, because yeah, it's not a worker. It's just stuck right there.